Hey guys, investment brothers, remember follow us on YouTube, Fix and Flip Investing as well as wholesaling. I'm here at a job that's about a month away before we are officially complete. As you can see, it's coming along. And I wanted to share something with you guys that I think is very helpful to be able to get from one deal into your next project. And that is to start marketing your job before the work is complete. Most of our inventory, we sell it, we put it into escrow before the work is completely finished. And the reason we're able to do that is because, as we've said, we've been at this almost 30 years. And one of the things you're gonna learn once you become a seasoned investor, if you've been at this for a while, you probably know this already, is that you wanna build a team. And part of that team is having agents that you've worked with in the past. And so one of the things that we do is we start marketing the properties to some of the agents. We don't officially put it for sale, but we let some of the active agents in the area know that we have one of our projects coming up. Most of the time, they're people that have sold some of our inventory before, and so they know the quality of our work. And most of our projects look very similar. We try to keep things uniform and consistent just to streamline the whole process, be more efficient and save money on costs. So we start marketing our projects to some of the agents that we worked with in the past, and they get a real good idea, what our work is like, and they bring their buyers here. As you can see, the project's taking shape. It's, anybody that comes here is going to get a real good idea what the project's going to look like. And the inside's mostly finished already. It's just some small details that need to be done. So it's a very efficient way of being able to get out of one deal and get into the next, because you put your project into escrow, you finish whatever needs to get done, and once you get your final from the city, then you're able to close it. And so you're able to save yourself 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes even a month, which if you're on financing, that's an extra interest payment that you don't have to make. So it's just a very easy way to save money, which leads to a bigger profit on the deal. You're out of one of your projects into the next one as quickly as possible. So just something to keep in mind, guys. Your project doesn't have to be completely finished before you put it into escrow and before you start letting the word out to some of the people that are active in the area. Because believe me, it's a great incentive both to buyers and to agents to know that they're one of the first people to see this project. And like I said, most of our stuff, we're able to sell it even before the work is complete. So remember, you don't have to be completely finished to be able to put your jobs into escrow. So it makes you efficient, saves you time, and it saves you money in the end.